Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on the system navigation, which is at the top, and as you can see here we've got two different options. Basically all we have to do is to tap on the gestures, so this animation, but before, a quick disclaimer, you can see that here we've got the customization of the buttons. So if you will decide that you want to leave this option turned on, here you will be able to customize it, so for example reorder the back button and the recents. But let me set the gestures first of all, so let's tap on this option. If you want to, you can go through the tutorial, however I don't want to do it because I already know how to use the gestures, so let me just turn it off. And basically, immediately, instead of the three buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. If you want to, you can hide it just by tapping on the switcher, and it's basically up to you. I prefer this option. You can decide whether you want to switch to previous apps, mistouch prevention, and learn the gestures. Up to you, however, in a second I'll explain everything, how to use the gestures. So if you want to get back to the previous page, simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. From the left side, you can see this arrow, and release the finger, you will go back, and from the right side, as you can see, it works the same. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. However, this time it should be a short and quick motion, just like that, just like you're swiping something out of your sight, out of your way. And if you want to enter the recents, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, but this time do it slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. And after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.